Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Universal Rundle Toilet Parts is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of homeownership. Ensuring a smoothly functioning toilet requires understanding its components, from the tank lever and flapper to the fill valve and bowl bolts. This video will guide you through identifying, understanding, and potentially replacing these crucial parts, empowering you to tackle toilet troubles with confidence and save money on costly plumber calls. We will explore the various parts, their functions, and how to choose the right replacements for your specific Rundle toilet model, ensuring a perfect fit and lasting performance. Number 5. Fluidmaster 400 AKR Repair Kit. Is your toilet running inefficiently? This all-in-one kit replaces worn-out parts, bringing your toilet back to its optimal performance. It's the simple solution for a better flush. It fits most 2-inch flush valve toilets, adjusting easily to various heights. It's designed for seamless installation and compatibility with most toilets. The included flapper is designed to maximize water usage efficiency with every flush. You'll save water and money without sacrificing performance. This kit is designed for quick and easy installation. You can have your toilet flushing perfectly again in about 10 minutes or less. It replaces your old fill and flush valves, leaky flappers, and broken handles. It's everything you need for a complete toilet repair in one convenient kit. Upgrade your toilet's performance with the Fluidmaster 400 AKR. Enjoy a reliable, efficient flush for years to come. What we like. It boasts a user-friendly design, making installation a breeze. Its versatility ensures compatibility with most toilets. If you value convenience and efficiency, this is the perfect choice for a quick and effective toilet repair. What people say. The instructions are very thorough, clear and written in easy-to-understand language, in Spanish too. Good kit and everything works really well. Husband loves that the flow level is adjustable, so now there's a good flush that doesn't leave anything behind. Quieter than the builder's special systems, no leaks, and no continuous running. All the parts you could need, less the basic tools needed for install. Directions easy to understand and complete. Parts seem better quality than expected. Toilet worked perfect with zero problems or adjustments required, took about an hour. Number 4. Fluidmaster 400 RHRKP10 PerforMAX. It replaces inefficient fill and flush valves, leaky flappers, and broken handles. This will make your toilet work like new again. This toilet fill valve refills twice as fast and adjusts easily. It's perfect for high-efficiency toilets. The high-performance flapper eliminates twisting and ghost flushing. This maximizes water usage with each flush. It's easy to install and can be done in 10 minutes or less. You'll have your toilet flushing like new again quickly. It effectively controls fill and flush volume while upgrading your toilet parts. Enjoy a more efficient and reliable toilet. What we like. This offers superior performance, significantly improving your toilet's efficiency. It's designed to eliminate annoying issues like ghost flushing. If you desire top-tier performance and water conservation, this is the ideal upgrade for your toilet. What people say. Easy install, works perfect. The instructions were really good. The toilet works like it's brand new. The parts are sturdy and fit well. It was straightforward to install and worked as described. Number 3. Danco 80816 Toilet Repair Kit. Is your toilet running constantly? This kit has everything you need to fix it. It's easy to install and will save you money. You get a new flapper, fill valve, float, and rod, all the common parts that cause leaks. Everything is designed to fit standard toilets. It comes with simple instructions and only requires basic tools like a screwdriver and wrench. You can do this DIY project yourself. The fill valve is 8.5 inches tall, the rod is 7.75 inches, and the float is 5.5 inches. It's designed for a perfect fit. It's made from durable plastic and rubber for long-lasting performance. It's built to last and restore your toilet to its original condition. This kit works with standard single-flush toilets. The flapper even includes an adapter for a perfect fit. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit containing all essential replacement parts. Installation is straightforward, requiring only basic tools. If you need a durable and complete solution for your toilet repair, this kit is a reliable choice. What people say. After installing it, I noticed a huge improvement in how my toilet functions. The materials feel solid, and everything seems built to last. Installation was easy and it works very well. This repair kit was a perfect replacement for my mid-90s Universal Rundle 6.0 LPF 1.6 GPF toilet. All necessary parts were included and it functioned well with no adjustment. I consider it an easy install and recommend. Number 2. Tank-to-bowl gasket. Is your toilet leaking? This extra thick gasket creates a double seal to prevent those annoying drips and save you water. It's designed for a superior seal, preventing those frustrating leaks between your toilet tank and bowl. This gasket is compatible with many major brands, including American Standard, Briggs, Kelgore, Norris, and Universal Rundle. It's a simple fix for many common toilets. The extra thickness provides superior protection against leaks. It's a durable and reliable solution for your toilet repair needs. With its double seal design, it provides an extra layer of protection against leaks, ensuring a long-lasting and watertight seal. It's designed for easy installation, making it a simple and quick fix for your toilet. Save time and money with this simple solution. What we like. This ensures a perfect fit for various toilet brands. Its robust construction provides superior sealing and leak prevention. If you prioritize a secure and long-lasting seal between your toilet tank and bowl, this is the right choice. What people say. This is the only gasket that I found that mentions Briggs specifically. The picture of the product looked correct as well, because it had the hexagonal indentation to fit over the hex nut on the toilet. However, in reading the reviews, several mentioned that the picture was in error, and there was no hex indentation, and also that it did not fit correctly. And no, there is not hex indentation, but it was a perfect fit, and when secured, worked perfectly. I have an older American Standard toilet and after trying countless tank-to-toilet body gaskets, I finally found one that looks almost like the one I have. All the other two gaskets were too thick and or too tall, even after cutting them down a bit, and thus would not allow the tank to seat properly. This one was thin enough and short enough to replace the old gasket that is slowly falling apart. It is not a perfect fit, but very close enough to work, and perhaps the old one looks different from years of pressure. I found the Master Plumber Tank-to-Bowl Washer, part number 668145 on Amazon, which indicated it fit Universal Rundle, and it was inexpensive enough that I thought I'd take the chance. I'm very glad I did, because this gasket, along with a new set of tank bolts, solved my leak, and the whole job took about an hour. I decided to try it anyway. I placed the gasket over the male threads and temporarily fit the tank to the bowl, with just a press fit, no tank bolts. I was surprised that when I lifted the tank back off the bowl, the gasket had conformed itself to fit perfectly over the hex-shaped nut. It gave a perfect seal, and days later, still no leaks. Number 1. Fluidmaster 400H002 PerforMAX. Is your toilet making unwanted noise? It's time for an upgrade. This high-performance fill valve provides a quiet and efficient fill. Worried about a complicated installation? Don't be. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions, making the process simple and straightforward. This fill valve is designed to fit most toilet models, saving you time and hassle finding the right part. Take control of your toilet's performance. It features adjustable dials for tank and bowl water levels, ensuring the perfect flush every time. With its easy twist height adjustment, it easily fits a variety of tank sizes, ranging from 9 to 14 inches. Optimize your toilet's water usage with this efficient fill valve. Enjoy a perfect flush while conserving water and reducing your water bill. What we like. It's engineered for quiet and powerful performance, eliminating noisy filling. Installation is simple and quick. If you prefer a quiet, efficient, and easy-to-install fill valve, this is a great option. What people say. It can fill the tank pretty fast just like it claims. The installation was super easy. The water control option for the bowl is really nice. Your toilet is fairly quiet compared to before. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.